So that's my first time ever having a blizzard in life. I got a little, my friend told me I need to get an animal cracker, the Frost animal cracker blizzard. I've never had a blizzard before. Let's try it. Let's see what it's top. Let's try it. Let me see. Another bite. It would look like. Look at that. Woo. I'm trying to flip it, but it melted. Okay, man. Just solid. After thinking I prefer, I wanted to do the ultimate cookie. Blizzard, it comes with chocolate chip cookies, Oreo cookies, and Nutter Butters. I wanted to do that one. This one is solid. When my friend told me to get this, the reason I went with the animal crackers because I always go pretty much the same thing when I get like ice cream, stuff like that, like cookies and cream, chocolate, vanilla. You know what I'm saying? I stay in a little range. Or something like chocolate chip cookie dough, moose track, something like that. You know what I'm saying? So this is a different vibe for me. And that's why I feel like the little chocolatey. This is really good though. And it comes with a lot of cookies. I know that the ultimate cookie one is gonna come with a lot of cookies. And I'm like, I'm gonna taste the Oreo. I'm gonna be able to taste the Chips Ahoy. And I'm gonna be able to taste the Nutter Butter. Like this, I'm tasting all of the animal crackers. It's delicious, it's good. This is good. This is solid, it's solid. My first time ever having a blizzard. Ever in life. I promise. DQ. They did something with this. They did something with this for sure. Yeah. I really want to try that ultimate cookie one now. I know it's gonna be good. I think it's like my favorite. This is good. I don't necessarily, this is not what my taste buds used to. This is good though. I'm glad I got it, but my taste buds usually something like Oreo-y, cookie dough-y, you know, something like that to that effect. But this is good though, for sure. I give this, what I give it? I give this about a 7 out of 10. Solid 7. You did. Solid 7. DQ. You did a good job. Keep up the good work. Sit down outside of the flesh. I'm out. Have a great day. I love you guys. I love you. Shalom.